काउंसिल जनरल बेलारूस इनका स्वागत करें। मैं फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी निधि मैम को कि काउंसिल जनरल बांग्लादेश।
It's indeed a matter of great privilege and honor to be here on the occasion of the inauguration of acclamation of me and my Gandhiji, the Mahatma, the memory from the collection of Mr. Kishore Junjunwala ji, who happens to be the old friend of mine. His family, as Kishore ji may not be remembering it, but
I do remember, sir. I do remember very well.
There is one thing I want to tell you, that once I was caught in a election battle, and that time I was fighting election against the then son-in-law of the then Chief Minister, Sri Mr. Ras Sorof. He was the candidate, and that time, because of his father-in-law was the CM, so I was not able to get any election office anywhere. So I have taken 2 offices, and 2 offices were closed in 5 days' time. But then lastly, one person, that was Mr. Junjunwala, he has given his office to me at the Walkeshwar, and my whole election campaign was from that office. And because of his blessings and support, we won the election. That was the toughest battle of my political life.
Sir, it is great to remember after 40-50 years.
Mrs. Nidhi Chaudhary, IAS, the mentor, the support, and the backbone of this institute. This institute was there long back. It's not a new institute. But you are having the new vibrations, you are having the new life, you are having the full activities which nobody could dream that this can happen in this organization. And the credit goes to all and only to Mrs. Nidhi Chaudhary and her leadership quality, that she can take all them together. Mrs. Srimati Renuka Sahani ji, Consul General of Argentina, Consul General of Belarus, Consul General of Bangladesh, Consul General of Poland, Consul General of Lodas, that is Mrs. Manju Loda. All other dignitaries are present here. So speeches are already over. So I am the last person. But I want to tell you, Indra, India is not known in the world. All other dignitaries are present here. So speeches are already over. So I am the last person. But I want to tell you, Indra, India is not known in the world for any other thing other than Mahatma Gandhi. If he would have not been Mahatma Gandhi, it would have been the weak. India minus Mahatma Gandhi, India minus the freedom struggle is big zero. Mahatma Gandhi ji has taught to us not only the ahimsa, but the way of life. If we all go through the collection of Mr. Junjunwala, then we will realize that why he has kept it as his treasure in his house and allowed it to be used in this public platform today. I wish all success for that more and more.
नमन करती हूँ। आज कल 2 अक्टूबर है, जबकि भारत के 2 ऐसे महान सपूत इस जगत में पैदा हुए थे, महात्मा गांधी और लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी, कि दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। कि विश्व की वाटिका में अनेकों पुष्प खिलते हैं, लेकिन उनमें से कुछ ही ऐसे होते हैं जो अपनी सुवास से समुचित उपवन को सुवासित कर देते हैं, अपने मकरंद को चौ दिशा में फैला देते हैं। इसी तरह से संसार में अनेकों व्यक्ति जन्म लेते हैं, लेकिन उनमें से कुछ ही ऐसे होते हैं जो अपने कार्यों द्वारा जन जन के हृदय को आह्लादित कर देते हैं। और ऐसा ही महान व्यक्तित्व था हमारे राष्ट्रपिता श्री महात्मा गांधी जी का। आज जो हम आज़ाद भारत में सांसें ले रहे हैं, ये उन्हीं की वजह से है। उन्होंने अपने जीवन में हमें सबको सिखाया कि किस तरह से सत्य बोलना है, अहिंसा का मार्ग अपनाना है। जिस तरह से आज विश्व पूरा जो कि हिंसा के कगार पर खड़ा है, अगर वो गांधी जी के सिद्धांतों को अपने जीवन में उतार ले तो ये जीवन जो हमारा है, ये संसार जो है और भी अधिक सुंदर और रहने लायक हो सकता है। तो हम सबको अहिंसा के जो सिद्धांत हैं, जो भगवान महावीर ने भी दिए, गौतम ने भी दिए, उनको अपने हृदय में रोपण कर देना चाहिए, ताकि हम आपस में एक नया सुंदर, ऐसा सुंदर भारत और ऐसा विश्व बना सकें जहाँ कहीं लूट मार न हो, अराजकता न हो, आतंकवाद न हो। तो आइए हम सब गांधी जी के
For the inauguration of exhibition Me and My Gandhiji, the man, the Mahatma, the memory, a collection graciously shared by Shri Kishore Jhunjhunwala. In this exhibition, we will journey through Gandhiji's life and legacy. You will see currency designs and emblems that reflect India's financial independence. You will read letters and writings that reveal his leadership and vision. You will discover his global impact through stamps, media chronicles, and iconic photographs. You will connect with his spiritual legacy from sacred relics to his timeless voice. You will witness his final call for peace during partition and the symbols created in his honor. You will explore how art, sculptures, and tributes continue to interpret his philosophy. Finally, you will trace his evolution from barrister to Mahatma, inseparable from India's freedom struggle. मैं कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं दीप प्रज्वलन से। मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी श्रीमती मंजू जी लोढ़ा, फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट एंड सोशल वर्कर। उसके बाद सिद्धार्थ कागजी, टेलीविजन प्रोड्यूसर एंड प्रेजेंटर। श्रीमती रेणुका शाहाने जी, काउंसिल जनरल अर्जेंटीना, जनरल बेलारूस, काउंसिल जनरल बांग्लादेश, काउंसिल जनरल पोलैंड एंड निधि मैम, और किशोर झुंझुनवाला जी।
छड़ी लेके और लड़खड़ाते हुए यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, शुरू भी कैसे की। तो few weeks ago I had a knee surgery, so forgive me for this, but I'm very happy to be here. और मैं समझता हूँ कि निधि जी की, अगर I am surprised, she said she joined on the 25th of August. तो मेरे हिसाब से आपका पहला ऑफिशियल प्रोग्राम बुक हो सकता है जो 26 तारीख को हमने WIFF का जो फेस्टिवल का इनॉग्रेशन किया यहीं पे, आपका एक ही दिन था उस वक्त। अरे भाई देखो, now therefore बुढ़ापा आ गया।
तो आपके लिए खुशी की बात है, हमारे लिए थोड़ी दुख की बात है, क्योंकि ये जॉइंट हमारे डिपार्टमेंट को छोड़कर आई।
तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। रेणुका जी का भी जब मैंने सुना तो मुझे लगा कि हम यहाँ पे एक साथ में, हमने बहुत खोज की है, और ये भी मेरे ख्याल से मैं मानता हूँ कि जो एग्जीबिशन जो अभी एक तैयार हुई है, जो हम देख रहे हैं, तो उसके जो करता धरता हैं, क्यूरेटर हैं, पैशनेट, उसकी जो बेस हैं, कलेक्टर हैं, वो है। मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि किशोर भाई, नहीं अभी मत बताइए, तो लंबी कहानी है। देखिए आपने जो एक एक चीज पाई है उसकी कहानी है, और अब मैं एक्चुअली कहता हूँ कि नई जनरेशन एक आई है, आप और मैं मेरे बीच में, और जो यहाँ पे लोग हैं। एंड वुड यू लाइक मी टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश बिकॉज इट माइट नॉट बी, शुड आई स्पीक इंग्लिश? इज दैट ओके? Oh, you do? Okay, so I only want to say that Mahatma Gandhi ji, for people like me, they were closer to my age and time, if you feel like, to some extent. But today's generation needs to be connected with Gandhi ji. And I feel that a collection such as yours, which is sort of what you call the collectibles of everyday life, postage stamps, written letters, and so many other elements which would appeal and understand, make it possible for young people to understand who Mahatma Gandhi was and how he, as a single person, symbolized the fight that India had for its independence. And I would say that Kishore Bhai, you have spent so much of dedicated time to speak about it, explain it, make it available with such a generous and open heart. But please, this legacy should not only be a museum legacy, it should be a living, talking legacy for the new generation of India. And in that process, जो मैंने आपसे एक छोटी बात की थी वो तो आप करेंगे ही, इतनी तुरंत आपने उसको स्वीकार किया। मैं तो कहता हूँ इसका एक टूर बनाइए आप। There should be an audiovisual conversation for young people in different languages to connect with who Gandhiji was and what his significance for this nation was and why and how should young people discover themselves in Gandhiji today. And this is really the crux of what I wanted to say, and I wanted to thank you for that. Marvelous. I would also like to hear the stories from you, Kishore Bhai, in the आपके घर पे आके आपकी कहानी हम सुनेंगे। और आप लोग ये एग्जीबिशन देखिए, जो बहुत बेहतरीन एग्जीबिशन है, बहुत ही लेबोरियसली इन्होंने कितने 40-50 साल हो गए किशोर भाई?
नहीं सर, 65 साल।
चलिए देखिए। So I mean, high time now that this becomes accessible to a nation as a digital age. Can we make this available to the world? Can we make it available to our own young people? And we will have great pleasure. I would say it on behalf of Renuka and myself, we will be happy to help you in whatever way that you feel is necessary. Meanwhile, thank you for all coming here and for gracing this, Nidhi for your initiative. And I look forward to this exhibition actually becoming a spearhead of a new thinking for new people, young people of our country. Thank you very much.
Really very, very honored. Thank you, Nidhi ji, for inviting me for this program, this exhibition, which I think is such an important exhibition. And I'm an unfortunate person that I did not know anything about it previous to your invitation. So, this is the level of agyan that I have, and there is so much to fill, so many gaps to fill in. What made me really excited was the fact that Gandhiji has been a very, very important person, figure, political leader, somebody whose ideas have changed not only just our country, but I think a lot of the world. I inherited Gandhiji from my grandfather and then my mother, and then, so the legacy carries on. And as people who inherit things, you don't really go into the details because you just grow up with the values that are taught to you. You never question those. So Gandhiji is one of the figures who I have never really dwelled deeply in, but I feel a deep commitment to what he has said, his ideas which have traveled so far and wide. Why he becomes even more important today. Each day when I read the newspaper or I see the news, I feel how important Gandhiji and his ideas are for our life today and for our children, and kind of embracing the local, embracing Swadeshi. For me, that is one of the cores that I really identify with, apart from the fact that one has to try and face life in the most peaceful manner possible. Because if anger and hate does anything bad, it does very bad things for the external world. But I think the biggest losers are ourselves, because anger is our greatest enemy, hatred is our greatest enemy. So, though these ideas are so simple, it is one of the most difficult things to live by. And so it's not just a lifelong struggle, but it's something that I hope to pass on to my children. And it's so amazing that I have passed on the values of non-violence, of promoting what is our local heritage, to celebrate our local heritage, to try and promote anything that is handmade, for example, you know. So apart from that, one of my children got attracted to Gandhiji's religiosity. Now this is not something that we very often hear of, but he went to the Bhagavad Gita through Gandhiji's Gita Mata. Because Gandhiji's Gita Mata is a quest to understand the Bhagavad Gita, because he felt when he was in Yeroda that he did not know it completely. And that was the time when he had the time to go back to our scriptures and actually understand what the meaning was. And he's written it in such a simple way so that everybody who reads it understands. It's a very thin book, and that's how my child, first read Gita Mata, then went on to read the Hindi Anuvad of Bhagavad Gita, and then went on to read the Sanskrit. So there are so many aspects of Gandhiji that we still have to discover. We still have to discover how a person could be a living example of experiments, to say and to accept the fact that one can be wrong is such a big strength that one considers it a failing actually. One doesn't want to show that one is wrong about anything. But such a big human being has said that to be wrong is not wrong. It is just a journey, it's part of the journey. So I think there are so many aspects, and I was inspired, because all these aspects are touched upon by Kishorji's exhibition. And I've seen only a part of it, I'm going to, of course, spread the word, and I'm sure all of you will also. And thank you.
With you, and to share this time and the thoughts about Mahatma Gandhiji, who is a great influencer, not only in India, but far away, all over the world. So I must tell you that his activity also had the impact on our former country, which I am from, Soviet Union. Now this is the Republic of Belarus. And now in our country we also cherish the memory, the ideas, the acts and the behavior of Mahatma Gandhi, because his ideas, they are global. They are not about only India, but they are about our planet, our philosophy about peacemaking, especially now in these very harsh times when there are a lot of violence all around the world. And now what we need the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi of peacemaking. So today it was mentioned that we have to share the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi with our youth. And I must tell you that in our country we have established the monument of Mahatma Gandhi in the epicenter of the main leading university of Belarus. This is Belarusian State University. And in the courtyard of this university, if you travel to Belarus, to Minsk, and you can visit all the time the monument of Mahatma Gandhiji and lay the flowers, whatever is necessary. And so we cherish the memory of Mahatma Gandhi, and we share it not only with the adults, but with the students, with our youth. And with this knowledge of Mahatma Gandhi, who meets them every day when they come to the university, and then when they leave the university in the evening, Mahatma Gandhiji always meets them to recall the memories of him, of India, and of his policy and acts. So our country shares the idea of Mahatma Gandhiji, and I would request all to continue creating the memorable events like this with all of us, and we'll be happy to visit more events, to be a part of this, and to contribute to these kind of events. Thank you so much.
Madam Director and friends. What I can say about Gandhi is the essence of who Gandhi really was. Gandhi was a great leader. Gandhi was a very strong man, but very delicate in the same way. creating his policy. And Gandhi was a real human being, real man. If there was somebody who deserved this name, real man, Gandhi was a real man. And I heard today one sentence which is actually true, and maybe you will not agree with me, but I just want to repeat what somebody said, and I was lucky enough to hear it. India is famous because of Gandhi. Yes, this is true. So many people knows Gandhi. So many people admires Gandhi in the whole world. So I think that Gandhi is a really best example what India can offer to the world. Thank you so very much for your time.
Thank you for having me. It's an honor to be here in this exhibition. The problem when you have to speak last or between the last is that almost everything has already been said. But what I wanted to share with you distinguished guests, Mr. Minister, dear colleagues, Mrs. Chowdhury, is that Gandhi, the question is what Gandhi stands for. This is the question that I ask myself. And I think that Gandhi stands for civil disobedience, peaceful revolution, and bring peace to the world. Change things through non-violence means. And as was said before, I think that maybe Gandhi is the most important personality or character of India that is well known all around the world. But I must tell you, in Argentina, we speak Spanish. We were a Spanish colony for many years, and we got our independence 200 years ago. And I can tell you that Gandhi is very well known in Argentina, and every schoolboy and schoolgirl knows who Gandhi was. And I think that, okay, yes, Gandhi was the father of the Indian nation, the father of the independence of India, but his personality goes beyond the boundaries of India. It's like a universal character that is well known all around the world. And why is that? Because of his values. And this is the soft power of India that you have to offer to the world. And we Argentinians, we have adopted it, Mahatma Gandhi, as our own national hero. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
The other chief guests, Madam Manju Lodha, Madam Renuka Shahani, Madam Sir Siddharth, Honorable Consul Generals of Argentina, Belarus, Poland, Director NGMA, for whom we are here together, the way she has. And of course, I will not forget the hero of today's occasion, Sri Kishore Jhunjhunwala ji, and my distinguished guests. Thank you very much for making time. This is a big day, I would say, because tomorrow we are going to celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji, a towering personality who continues to inspire us, continues to illuminate us with his ideologies, with his towering personality. So it's a big day for us, and you are already aware that his birthday has been declared as International Day for Non-Violence. So UNESCO has recognized, and the towering personality, the kind of human being he is no more of India. His philosophy, his ideologies have transcended the border of India, and now he is of the whole world. And like my other colleagues who have said, that in Bangladesh also, you can ask anyone about Mahatma Gandhi ji, and they will be showing their deepest respect to this great human being. Actually, he is more than a human being. He is an immortal soul that we are celebrating today by the grace of Sri Kishore Jhunjhunwala ji, because we could have his rare collection, and we are proud of lighthouses like Kishore Jhunjhunwala ji, because his devotion for Mahatma Gandhi ji could enable us have all those rare pieces of collection and to recall all those historic moments that Mahatma Gandhi ji was a part of. So it helps us to know about his ideologies, his philosophies, those who are very, very special that I can recall: Ahimsa, his philosophy of Satyagraha, Swaraj, and many, many other things, and his role, his the way he promoted women empowerment, the way he promoted the value of truth, the value of non-violence is unmatchable. And what I would like to say, I would like to sincerely thank NGMA for organizing this event, because coming to this special occasion, we are talking about such a personality who is inspiring us to be non-violent, because in this world which is leading towards chaos and conflict each day, we must remember this kind of personality to make us a better human being. And I must be thankful also to the government of India, because the way they are promoting the life and ideologies of Mahatma Gandhi is truly something inspiration for me. Because when I was posted at UNESCO in Paris, you know, the headquarters in Paris, I was only third secretary at that time, and I had the opportunity to attend the Ahimsa lecture that was actually organized by Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Education for Peace and Sustainable Development. It's actually one of the UNESCO Category 1 institute, the first in the Asia Pacific. So they organized this beautiful Ahimsa lecture by key personalities. Every year they organize at UNESCO and other parts of the world, also in consultation, in collaboration with the Indian Embassy in Paris. So I had the opportunity, and I was very young diplomat, and when I was listening about him, his ideologies, how he actually, the colonial oppression he could end up with just by non-violence. So he actually realized that true strength lies in restraint. True strength lies in in disciplining your impulses. It's not only by being involved in violence or by being rude to others. And I am very much moved by one of his quotation: "An eye for eye will make the whole world blind." And if we can keep this in mind, we will never be rude or harsh to anyone, because it is through peace, it is through kindness we can win this world. It is through friendship we can bridge the gaps that is between us. This whole world is one world, and I can say that Mahatma Gandhi ji was a global symbol of kindness, global symbol of non-violence, global symbol of truth. And we should not be limiting the exercise of his life and ideology only one day. That means his birthday or say any other day. We should be always trying to go through them. I have myself, I always read from his texts and also quotations, and sometimes I also see different movies. Indian greatest movie makers have made movies on them, but many more movies should be made, because the knowledge should be transmitted to next generations to generations, so that the upcoming generations will be further kind, further nicer, and they will be making a beautiful world where sustainable development will be there, where there will be shared prosperity, where we will be smiling together, not being unkind to anyone. So this is I would just pay my deepest tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, and as well as the devotee of Mahatma Gandhi, Sri Kishorji, who has made this possible, who has brought us together on this very day, and to recall the great memories of the great leader who has brought independence to Indian subcontinent. At that time, Bangladesh was also part of India, Pakistan was a part of India. So we all were together. So we remember Mahatma Gandhi ji, wherever you are. We pray for you, for your departed soul. Thank you for teaching us all the lessons of non-violence, the lessons of truth, and the lesson to live together. Thank you so much.
मैं जान के मुझे उसके प्रति बहुत श्रद्धा हुई और मैं गांधी के कलेक्शन करने लगा। मुझे नहीं पता क्यों मैंने किया, मैं इसका क्या क्या भविष्य होगा, मैं क्या करूँगा, क्यों कर रहा हूँ, पर मन में असीम श्रद्धा थी। बाद में मैंने ये पाया कि गांधी जी फ्रीडम फाइटर कम और इंसानियत महात्मा ज़्यादा है। तो फ्रीडम फाइटर का क्वेश्चन बहुत तो गांधी जी को और जानने के लिए 2005 में मैंने गांधी मार्च का रिपीटिशन हुआ, सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ सेलिब्रेटिंग 75th ईयर ऑफ गांधी मार्च। तो मैं उसमें गया, 32-33 दिन की टूर थी। वी ट्रेवल द सेम पाथ, सेम वे, वहीं रहना, सुबह शाम वहीं रहना, वहीं सोना, वहीं खाना। उधर मैंने जाना, कुछ काम नहीं था, कोई काम नहीं था, 32 दिन खाली गांधी 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 बस। तो उधर मैंने जाना, गांधी जी ने समझ में थोड़ा आने लगा कि गांधी जी क्या है। कलेक्शन करना अलग बात है, अंदर से फीलिंग होना अलग बात है। फिर मैंने बोला अभी और जानना है, तो फिर मैं साउथ अफ्रीका गया। वहाँ गांधी जी का सब कुछ देखा, जोहान्सबर्ग बोला, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डरबन और पिट्सबर्ग, जहाँ उनको स्टेशन से फेंका गया। और बहुत सी जगह है जहाँ पे गांधी को जेल में डाला, 7-8 जेल में डाला गया, 8 जगह 4-7 जगह सत्याग्रह किया, सब देख के आया। फिर मैं बोला तीसरा एक और बचा उनकी कर्मभूमि, वो बची इंग्लैंड। फिर इंग्लैंड गया मैं, वहाँ देख के आया गांधी जी कहाँ पढ़े, कौन सी जगह वकालत की, कहाँ रहते थे। फिर घर चेंज किया तो कहाँ रहते थे, राउंड टेबल में गया तो कहाँ रहते थे, सब क्या है। तो जैसे जैसे टूर करता गया तो गांधी जी के बारे में और समझ में आया। अब क्या है, आजकल फैशन बन गया है गांधी जी को लेके कुछ भी कंट्रोवर्सी करके लोग बातें बनाते रहते हैं। बातें बनाने में कुछ होता है। उनको पूछो कि गांधी जी, यार 170 कंट्री की स्टैम्प तो मेरे पास है, हो सकता है 2-5 छूट गई हो सकता है समझो बेलारूस की स्टैम्प नहीं है, तो आप दुनिया में कितनी कंट्री है, उन कंट्री में जो कुछ भी बना, कॉइन बना, मेडल बना, स्टैम्प बना, कुछ भी बना, गांधी जी के बेटा बेटी पोता पोते नहीं बनाए किसी ने भी, दुनिया की जनता ने बनाया। आप पूछिए अपने दिल को कि आपके लिए आपके बेटा बेटी तो बनाएंगे क्या कुछ, एक तस्वीर, एक स्टैम्प, एक कॉइन के, एक मेडल बनाएंगे क्या? भाई कोई मेरे को भी विश्वास नहीं है, हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं ऐसा। उस आदमी के ऊपर कुछ भी कमेंट करते लोग। आज हमारे पास 170 कंट्री में गांधी इंडिया के रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ज्यादा 200 भी हो सकती है, कहीं रोड होगा, कहीं मूर्ति होगी। हमारे पास पड़ोसी के पास क्या है बताइए, नाम नहीं बोलूंगा। तो अपने गांधी जी फील होना चाहिए, गांधी के कारण हम लोग आज इंडिया क्यों नॉन वायलेंस है, क्यों नहीं लड़ रहा है। तो गांधी जी को ऐसे मजाक में उड़ा देना ठीक नहीं है। अब रहा सवाल के मैं कलेक्शन तो इतने साल करता हूँ, एग्जीबिशन क्यों नहीं किया, किसी ने शिकायत किया, मैं खुद शिकायत करता हूँ। मैंने 2019 जब गांधी को 150 साल हुआ तो मैंने बहुत कोशिश किया, कई सरकारी महकमों में गया, एनजीए में भी मैं महाद्रिक को 6 महीने चक्कर लगाया, मैंने नहीं परमिशन दिया। कोई बोलता है तुम्हारा कलेक्शन मॉडर्न नहीं है, तो मॉडर्न की जगह जाओ, तो बोलो ओल्ड नहीं है, ओल्ड तो मॉडर्न नहीं है। और दुनिया भर के बहुत रखा है मुझे, बहुत। दिल्ली गया, ले आओ, क्या करेंगे, कोई जवाब नहीं। वो सामने छत्रपति शिवाजी में गया, बोले हमारे पास 4 साल तक नहीं आना, 4 साल जगह नहीं हमारे पास। अब क्या मिराकल हुआ, तो भगवान का जादू है कि मैडम ने देखते ही हाँ बोल दिया, 1 सेकंड भी नहीं लगाया। आप घड़ी देखोगे ना, 1 सेकंड भी नहीं लगाया। अब मैं आपको सब लोगों को बोलता हूँ, मैडम पे प्रेशर लाइए और मैडम सरकार पे प्रेशर लावे। मैं एक साथ 20 एग्जीबिशन गांधी की कर सकता हूँ, पैरेलल 20 जगह अलग, इतना सामान आपके लिए। इसी तरह इससे भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है नेताजी सुभाष, जिन्होंने काम आजादी के लिए गांधी से कई गुना ज्यादा किया और उनको इतनी प्रसिद्धि नहीं मिल पाई हमारी पिछली सरकारों के कारण। उनका बहुत बड़ा कलेक्शन है, छोटा सा लगाया था यार पिछले एक महीने पहले, वो भी हमें परमिशन दी, 23 जनवरी को भी लगाएंगे। अभी हमारा बचा हुआ लाइफ यही काम का, जो कलेक्शन किया लोगों को दिखाया, उससे कुछ शिक्षा मिले, लोगों को शिक्षा मिले, सीखें कुछ। तो मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ जी, एमजीएम की ब्रांचेस है, भारत सरकार है, महाराष्ट्र सरकार है, लोढ़ा जी को भी बोलता हूँ, लोढ़ा जी आपने एक बार मुझे बोला था बाबूलनाथ की सुभाष जी की मूर्ति के पास कि मैं गाड़ी भेज रहा हूँ, आप कलेक्शन ले आइए उधर हमारे स्कूल में लगाइए, फिर आप भूल गए। तो अभी आज फिर से मौका आ गया है।
आप अभी भी आपसे कह रहा हूँ, मैं सबके सामने कह रहा हूँ, इस 23 जनवरी को मंत्रालय के सबसे बड़ा जो मंत्रालय का हॉल है, वहाँ पर आपकी एग्जीबिशन लगेगी, बशर्ते कि आप मेरे को उस समय 7 दिन पहले बता दो कि आप उसमें तैयारी हो।
मैं तो अभी बता रहा हूँ सर, मैं तैयार हूँ, मैं एवर मेरे को कहीं नहीं लगता बताने में, हमेशा तैयार हूँ। किधर भी आप बोलोगे एग्जीबिशन राउंड पूरा वर्ल्ड में किधर भी लेके जाने को तैयार।
उसमें अपने को थोड़ी आपस में पहले बात करनी पड़ेगी, 23 जनवरी को मंत्रालय में लगा लेंगे।
बिल्कुल सर। तो आप डायस पे बैठे हुए सभी चीफ गेस्ट, महानुभाव, मैडम जी, निधि मैडम जी और भार्गव जी और सभी अतिथिगण को मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और आप लोग पधार के देखें, आप लोग देखिए, को एंजॉय करिए, और ज़्यादा से अगर आपको लगे वर्थ है तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा को भेजिए, प्रेरणा दीजिए, आके देखें।
open for viewing now. All of you will stretch on to
किशोर जी, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल एग्जीबिशन। कितने सालों से आप ये कलेक्शन करते आ रहे हैं?
देखिए, गांधी जी का कलेक्शन मैंने 69 में स्टार्ट किया, क्योंकि मेरी हॉबी तो कई थी पहले से, नोट कॉइन स्टैम्प कलेक्ट करने का भी तो बहुत बचपन से थी। मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 10 साल का था मैं, पर उसमें कोई सब्जेक्ट ऐसा फोकस नहीं था कि भाई मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या करूँगा, क्या नहीं करूँ। 69 में गांधी सेंटेनरी हुआ, और वो गांधी सेंटेनरी में 70 कंट्रीज़ ने गांधी का स्टैम्प निकाला, और इंडिया ने गांधी स्टैम्प भी निकाला, कॉइन भी निकाले और नोट भी निकाले। तो मैंने बोला ये सब बाकी फालतू को हटाओ और कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन गांधी। उसको आज हो गए 56 साल हो गए।
वाओ,
पूरा 56 साल पूरा हो गया।
एंड ये रुचि कहाँ से आई आपको?
ये स्कूल में एक टेक्स्ट था, गांधी जी का एक कोट था, हेट द सिन नॉट द सिनर। मतलब एक आदमी पाप करता है तो उसका मतलब नहीं वो पूरा आदमी अछूत हो गया। उसका वो जो शराब पीता है तो वो शराब पीना ही है, खाली बुराई तक सीमित रखो उसको, और जिस दिन वो बुराई छोड़ देगा वो अच्छा आदमी हो गया। नहीं तो हम बोलते हैं यार तो शराबी पीता, उसको ज़िंदगी भर के लिए डिस्कार्ड कर दिए। अब समझने का, मानने का, फॉलो करना बहुत मुश्किल है, और उसने तो दिया कोट। तो मैं बोला महात्मा है वो, उसने ह्यूमैनिटी ज़्यादा सिखाई। फ्रीडम फाइटर का क्या है, फ्रीडम फाइटर में तो 3 रोल किया खाली उन्होंने।
राइट, हाँ, तो यहाँ पे भी नेशनल गैलरी ऑफ मॉडर्न आर्ट में हम वही फोकस कर रहे हैं ना, द मैन बिहाइंड द फ्रीडम फाइटर। तो उस बारे में बताइएगा, एंड ऑल्सो टेल अस कि व्हाट आर द डाइवर्स आइटम्स दैट द पब्लिक कैन कम एंड सी हियर टू ऑल्सो गेट एजुकेट देमसेल्व्स।
यहाँ पे जी मैं सबको यही बोलता हूँ, क्या नहीं है। इफ़ यू टेक ए सब्जेक्ट कलेक्शन, take a subject collection.
Yeah.
What can you collect in this world for a person, for anything? What can you collect? And then second question is what is not in my collection? सब कुछ है.
Yeah, you have his ashes also.
Everything.
How beautiful.
और बाकी जो बोलते हैं ना गांधी का चश्मा है,
Yeah.
धोती है, वो सब झूठ बोलते हैं। क्यों? गांधी का सबको चश्मा बांटता था। 50 म्यूजियम में जिनके पास चश्मे हैं, 100 म्यूजियम के पास धोती पड़ी है, 200 म्यूजियम के पास गांधी की डंडी पड़ी है। नो नॉनसेंस।
Right. And you want to request the viewers to come and watch the show between 3rd of October and 15th October.
Yes, I request, suggest anybody, everybody. आप ये दुनिया में सबको बिजी रहते हैं, ऐसा मौका नहीं आता। बड़ी मुश्किल से मौका दिया इन्होंने, और मौके को गैप करिए, देखिए। भगवान जाने किसी को सुबुद्धि आ जावे, कोई को समझ में आ जावे, तो उसका चरित्र, उसका स्वभाव, उसका सब कुछ बदल जाए, ज़िंदगी बदल जाए।
Right. Thank you. कुछ और कहना चाहेंगे आप? Thank you.
धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
Nice gift to the country on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birthday tomorrow. Mr. Kishore Junnuwala's collection on the Me and My Mahatma Gandhi has been displayed here by the in the leadership of Mrs. Nidhi Chaudhary, senior IAS officer, Art Museum, and it is not only inspiring but it is worth remembering. It will attract thousands of people and it will guide to the people to live the life in a way Gandhiji have decided for himself and for his countrymen.
Hello. Alas? Roll. Roll. मंजू जी, सच अ प्लेजर टू सी यू। क्या कहना चाहेंगे आपने और मेरे गांधी जी एग्जीबिशन के बारे में?
बहुत सुंदर एग्जीबिशन लगाया है। किशोर जी की बरसों की मेहनत है, मेरे 65 इयर्स की मेहनत है उन्होंने, और गांधी जी हम सब के लिए एक प्रेरणादायी व्यक्तित्व हैं, और हम सब मानते हैं कि ये गांधी जी थे जिनकी वजह से आज हम आज़ाद भारत में सांसें ले रहे हैं। तो गांधी जी के व्यक्तित्व से हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। सबसे बड़ी सत्य, अहिंसा, सहनशीलता, और उनके जितने भी हम चीज़ें पढ़ें कि उनके जीवन में क्या क्या घटा है, अगर हम उन सब में से कुछ भी अपना लें तो हमारा जीवन भी बहुत शांतिमय हो सकता है। मुझे गांधी जी की 2 पोतियों के साथ बहुत बातचीत करने का अवसर मिला, उषा जी और सुमित्रा जी से, तो उनसे भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा। और मैं ये भी मानती हूँ कि गांधी जी ना होते अगर कस्तूरबा जी उनके साथ न होती। उन्होंने जीवन भर उनका बहुत अच्छे तरह से साथ दिया है। इसलिए गांधी जी की मूर्ति, जिस तरह कहा कि हर देश में, हर कंट्री के लोग उनको जानते हैं, तो ये हमारे लिए गर्व की बात होनी चाहिए कि ऐसा व्यक्तित्व जो कि हमारे भारत का था, जो कि महात्मा है और जो कि हमारे राष्ट्रपिता हैं, तो ऐसे गांधी जी को हम श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं। और सिर्फ एक दिन हम, जैसे
कि हमें श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित नहीं करती है। जीवन भर हमें उनके सिद्धांतों को अपने जीवन में अपनाना चाहिए कि दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, तूने कर दिया कमाल। नमन। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
Rul, what prompted you to bring this beautiful exhibition, मैं और मेरे गांधी जी, here at National Gallery of Modern Art?
Because Gandhi ji has walked the walls of National Gallery of Modern Arts. When it used to be Kuvashi Jahangir Institute, he has delivered a speech here, which has also been recorded in the autobiography of Gandhi ji, My Experiments with Truth. The 27th chapter, Bombay Days, mentions how he came here and he has had a written scripted speech, but he could not complete it, and he felt the stage fright, and then Effie Din Shavacha has to complete. The way this exhibition has been curated, it is to show the men behind Mahatma.
Yeah, the
how
man.
as a fragile, tender, weak person, he grew and became what he became. And also the fact that has been stressed enough by all the consul generals also, that he is the identity of this country, and everywhere across the world people know India by Gandhiji, and which is what we wanted to tell the young generation of Mumbai as well.
Yeah, in the speeches we heard Mr. Jhunjhunwala was saying that he went all over the place and nobody was willing to take the exhibition. What prompted National Gallery of Modern Art to say yes in a...
He had come to National Gallery of Modern Arts Mumbai also so many times, and GMA Mumbai also has not accepted this for quite some time. I don't know what and why this was not accepted, because this is a very beautiful collection of personal letters. Even ashes of Gandhiji, real ashes of Gandhiji are displayed there for paying tributes to Gandhiji. And personally, knowing the fact that he was here, knowing the fact that he has mentioned about this institute in his autobiography, that itself should be good enough reason to pay tributes through this exhibition. That was the reason. The moment he showed me his collection, it took me a nanosecond to say yes.
Yeah.
And I would request all the people of Mumbai to experience this. This will be open till 15th of October. Any day, every day, please come and see the men behind the Mahatma.
Yeah, and you want to give us a little, you've already given us some insights like the ashes, but what are the different facets that one can come and see here?
There are coins, there are notes, there are stamps, there are letters written in handwriting of Mahatma Gandhi, and there are statues that he has collected from different places of the world. There are paintings. There are newspaper clippings when he died, when we lost Mahatma, from across the world. You will see it in different languages of the world, how the world mourned the death of Mahatma. So from the beginning, when he was the oldest letter is of 1904, when he was an advocate. He was a barrister only, and that's a letter which he has written to his client. From that to the day he died, we are celebrating every single memory, which is presented in the form of a little coin, a little stamp, a little letter. And I hope and pray that people will come, people will experience it, and will once again remember the fact that we got this freedom that we so take for granted after a lot of struggle, right, of people like Gandhi.
Right. Thank you.
सिद्धार्थ सर, इट्स अ प्लेजर टू हैव यू हियर। कल 2 अक्टूबर है, गांधी जयंती है, और आज इतना बेहतरीन एग्जीबिशन देखा हमने। आपका अनुभव कैसा रहा सर?
मेरा अनुभव ये है कि ये एग्जीबिशन जो है गांधी जी की पर्सनल लाइफ का है, और उसमें ये खूबी है कि अगर आप नई पीढ़ी को आप उनको अट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हैं, गांधी जी के जो है टीचिंग्स जो हैं आम लोगों तक पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि अभी बहुत साल हो गए जब गांधी जी अब नहीं हैं, तो गांधी जी हैज़ बिकम ए फिगर ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट, बट यू डोंट हैव टू नो एनी मोर अबाउट हिम बियॉन्ड सेइंग कि भाई बहुत अच्छा, लेकिन उनकी रेलेवेंस क्या है? वो डेफिनेटली रेलेवेंस है फॉर अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ पीस. अब कैन वी मेक गांधी जी रेलेवेंट टू यंग पीपल हु आर looking for a job, young people who want to start a startup? After all, what Gandhiji did was to start up an entire nation, to arrive at a consensus, to rule the country independently, but without violence. अब ये जो उन्होंने अचीव किया is a great lesson, it's a great story. Of course, the story has been told in Richard Attenborough's Gandhi, among many other Gandhi films which have been made. But how can this collection become a story for young people from the small little things like उनकी चिट्ठियाँ जो लिखी हैं वो क्या थी, क्यों थी, उसमें हमें क्या, आप अपने जॉब प्रोफाइल के लिए कुछ लिखना चाहते हैं, उनकी चिट्ठी किस तरह से लिखी गई, उसमें कुछ आप सीख सकते हैं. और ये भी मैं कहता हूँ कि एक्चुअली इस एग्जीबिशन में एक चीज़ है जो किसी ने इस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान भी नहीं दिया, और किशोर जी ने भी उसके पर कुछ ध्यान ज़्यादा नहीं दिया, पर वो उनकी बताता है कि हाउ डेडिकेटेड ही इज़. यहाँ पे इनकी कलेक्शन में एक मटका है, हाँ जी, जिसमें गांधी जी की एशेज़ है. बिल्कुल. एशेज़ का मतलब है कि ये गांधी जी की एक्चुअली उनके ही एशेज़ हैं. तो उनके जो जीवन का जो एक एक्चुअली असली अंग है वो वहाँ आज इस वक्त इस मिनट वहाँ पे आपके पास है. हाउ कैन यू मेक दिस पैल्पेबल टू यंग पीपल? Of course, first you must prove that these are the ashes, and so there has to be incontrovertible. You cannot make a fool of anybody, but I'm sure it is being done with good faith. So if you can prove that, and then we can find a way in which these ashes can scatter over the entire country and the youth, in a way, symbolically. I think we would have been able to carry forward the legacy of this exhibition for new generations. और ये मेरे ख्याल से किशोर जी की भी तमन्ना है कि ये अभी सिर्फ अपने घर की दीवारों के बीच में न रहे, लोगों के बीच में आए. और पहले अगर आप यंग लोगों का आप शुरू करेंगे तो सारे लोग बाकी आते ही जाएंगे. इफ यू कैन इन्फ्लुएंस वन यंग पर्सन, then his parents will also get influenced, because they will be wonderstruck that my child has something to do, has been influenced. जैसे रेणुका जी ने कहा कि उनके बच्चे ने कहाँ से शुरू किया और पूरा जो उन्होंने भगवत गीता भी पढ़ा है. I wish you well. I think it's a great exhibition. It has great potential which must be realized.
तो सर आप फेलो मुंबईकर्स को कैसे अर्ज करना चाहेंगे कि आप आइए और देखिए, क्योंकि 3 अक्टूबर से 15 अक्टूबर तक ये
वो फेलो मेंबर को मैं कहूँगा, लेकिन आपको ये मैसेज पहुँचानी पड़ेगी कि इसमें जो एग्जीबिशन है इसमें बड़ी दिलचस्प ऐसी बातें हैं, बड़ी पर्सनल बातें हैं जो आप गांधी जी के बारे में शायद नहीं जानते हैं. बिल्कुल जानकारी लीजिए और ये बात फैलाइए कि you are number 1 in knowing more about Gandhi than anybody else.
Thank you so much, sir.
Give them that incentive. Take care, my dear.
Hello Shruti ma'am, it's a pleasure to have witnessed this beautiful exhibition. जैसा कि मैं देख सकता हूँ कि एग्जीबिशन नॉर्मल एग्जीबिशन से अलग है. गांधी जी की लाइफ के बारे में ज़्यादा इसमें it's shedding light on Gandhi's life and the man behind the Mahatma. So what does it take for NGMA to bring such a vast exhibition?
For NGMA, it's like very important to put shows which also shows the essence of the nation. And this exhibition is being organized on the special occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, which is tomorrow, 2nd October. And it is also the Non-Violence Day. So we just planned this exhibition to be exactly around it, and we are also celebrating Seva Pav, and it started from 17th of September and it will end on 2nd October. We had lots of outreach activities planned during this Seva Pav, and this one is the exhibition which is around Gandhiji, and main intention and for our team also is that to bring the side which is not shown to the world. So this exhibition mostly focuses on the letters and also on the stamps and the aspects like what happened after his death in the media and how it was being taken by the entire world. And at the same time, some of his rare photographs, some archival materials along that, the coins and the role of Gandhiji is like showcased by the entire collection of Sri Kishore Jhunjhunwala. He has been collected it since 65 years, and it is the rare collection having lots of photographs, archival materials, and for him it is like he has been waiting for this opportunity since many years. So we just hope that the audience of Mumbai will visit us more and more, and they will try to see the essence behind Mahatma, the man behind the Mahatma,
and also to take lessons in their own life and to learn also from his life. Thank you.
And ma'am, this collection has his first letter, from his first letter to his last remains, उनकी अस्थियां, उनके ashes भी हैं।
Yes, yes.
What was your first reaction when you saw this collection?
For me, it was like what you told. It's like the essence of Mahatma, not in his body, but with his, the whole soul. Like the ash represents his entire essence of the body, which remains even after the death. And also we have the print of his palm, so showcasing his hand and whatever the work has gone behind. His hand is very important because he was the man who told to work like anything, where there should be no rest. So we need to, with this exhibition, his body is not there, his soul is there, his, what you told, that ash is there, palm print is there, and there are so many footprints by his letters, by his memories. So we just try to bring his soul behind the man.
Thank you so much. Thank you for